Ved Learn List. What is Ved Learn List? Let's say you have some chapter in mind and you know I'm not good at it. Or maybe you have done a chapter, you want to revise that chapter. Every problem is different. If I want to start it from the scratch, I need detailed lecture, I need notes, I need some quizzes to build my confidence. You just ask Ved, bro, please Ved, tell me some chapter, you can tell the name, okay, I'm stuck on electrolysis. Ved will automatically create those checklists, that is your learn list for you, including the video which you need to watch. Ved understands which language you are watching, who is the best teacher suited for you, what kind of difficulty level, also creates notes for you and also creates a test. But if I show you all these screenshots, it's of no use. I think we should have a look at a quick demo. So come with me. I am super duper excited to get my hands on Ved, and I bet you too are super energetic and enthused about seeing how Ved is, how Ved looks like, how Ved interacts, talks, everything. So let me know quickly in the comments if you are full high on Josh and energy to see Ved. Wait a minute. I was talking about Ved, but she's not Ved, she's Maitri. And Maitri is our student from Ekalavya. But what are you doing here after so many years?
Hi sir, hello. Hi, I work in the product team at Vedantu.
My God, so you are behind that team who has tirelessly worked behind Ved's brain. So we need creative brains. I bet you are also from IIT.
Yes, I'm from IIT Delhi.
Oh, no wonder. And so how long have you been working on Ved?
So it's been 1.5 years now.
1.5 years. That's insane. So a lot of IIT brains working day in, day out, tirelessly. This is crazy. I'm pretty sure it will be too cool as a product to show all the kids.
That is our hope. Hope you guys like it.
Yeah, I'm sure. Thank you so much. And there will be more such stuff coming in from the product team in the days to come. Thank you so much. All right. So let's talk about Learn List, which is a comprehensive way to understand topics. As you open the Vedantu app, if you don't have it, please install. And if you already have it, please uninstall and install so that it gets updated, right? Okay. So you go down over here, you can see this circle, click on Ved, all right. And then you can say, hi, I am Ved, and you can ask Ved anything. So let's say I want to learn, hey, I want to learn polarization thoroughly, okay, thoroughly, in proper detail, okay. So let's see what Ved replies to me, okay. So what do you expect? Okay, it says, I'm understanding your request, learning something crazy, some sci-fi thing is coming, and see this icon popped up. Learn this topic with Ved, videos, notes and questions. Wow, interesting. Oh, that's me. Hey, my lecture has come up. And you can watch this lecture by just clicking on this. All right, the entire lecture is over here, okay. And this video contains all the fundamental concepts, blah, 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 polarized, unpolarized light, everything is explained in detail. So give a summary also of what is there in the video. So you don't have to scroll or look for the comments or the timestamps, etc. And then after that, notes. It's not those notes which I have given. Rather, apart from that, you also have the notes which Ved thinks are important. Ved is our topper, Ved is our genius. And Ved has made right from introduction, the key concepts, the definitions, terms, everything, formulas. Look at it. Every single thing which was talked about in the lecture is given by Ved in a very detailed manner. This is amazing. And it has analyzed literally everything, the voice, the video, the notes, everything to make the summary and to give you the smart notes. And after that, what you can see is a practice test. It's a test which is based on exactly what was taught in the class. So additional questions automatically created. And remember, if you select a different topic, you get a different video. The questions will also change and you can start attempting this test absolutely right over there. I can just say start now and the test begins. Isn't it super cool?